Next chapter is addition in C. Dynamic memory allocation, malloc, size of and free, calloc and reloc, memory model, concept of linked listed, representation of linked listed. Inserting a node using recursive program, deleting specific node in a singly linked list, inserting a node after a specific node in state linked list, circular linked list. So the idea here is to understand calloc, malloc, size of free. These are like dynamic memory allocation. Why you need them? Because you need to make sure that you allocate the right memory beforehand, or you do a right memory management. Concept of linked listed. The idea of linked listed is that if you cannot find contiguous space, you'll write the address of the next place where the data is. So those are the things. Static dependence of linear order is due to waste of memory in case of it. So we don't want to assign memory in one, instead want to allocate them on site. So malloc, size of and free, these are dynamic memory allocation, pretty unique feature in CMOC highlight. It enables us to create data types and structure of any size with program. Void star malloc, size number of bytes. Character P star malloc 100, attempts to get 100 bytes assigned to startup to pointer CP. Integer star P, IP is equal to integer malloc, size of the integer 4. C compiles may require to cast type conversion, intermean coercion to integer pointer. Coercion is a correct pointer type used to ensure proper arithmetic size of. So INTI struct chord float xyz, type def struct chord PD, size of INT, size of I, size of struct, size of or acceptable. So size of integer or size of any other thing that you want to look at. So calloc and reloc. There are two additional memory allocation function, calloc and reloc. These totals are given. Calloc, size of element, size t, number of elements, size t, element size. Then reloc is void pointer, start size t, new size. Malloc does not initialize memory to zero. If used to use calloc is slightly more computationally accessible, occasionally more convenient. Also note that the different syntax between calloc is that calloc takes number of desired element, comma number of elements, element size is to individual arguments. So what was a heterogeneous element to integer to 0. Then you would use calloc 100 comma size of the integer. So that would be 100 elements. Reloc is a function attempt to change the size of previous block of memory. The new size of memory is larger or smaller. If the block is larger, then the old content remains unchanged. If the size is smaller, then remaining contents are unchanged. If the original block size cannot be set, the new block will copy the block content. If the original block size cannot resize, then we attempt to assign a new block memory and will copy the old block content. The new note a new pointer will consequently be returned. Thus, the change in size of memory allocation stands for 50 integer 100 to 2. So malloc allocates a memory, returns a pointer first byte, allocates memory spaces, initialize them to 0 and returns pointer to the first byte. Calloc n comma element size, free up the allocated space, realloc modifies the PTR new size. Memory model. So memory models here are very specific assumption. 4 data registers are used to refer 4 segmental x86 segment architecture, DS, CS, SS and ES. Logical address on the platform is in return segment, offset is in real mode in model calculator word 100%. So note that this process leads to a slicing of memory, such as any address may have logical address. This makes computationally difficult. Pointer sizes. Pointers can either be near, far or huge. Near pointers refers to current segment, so neither DS nor CS may be modified to dereference the pointer. They are fastest pointer but limit to 64 kilobit of size. Far main pointer contain new values of DS or CS within them. To use them, register must be changed memory dereference. Note that the pointer arithmetic action does not modify the segment portion of the memory. Then you have memory model. Memory model are small, medium, compact, large, the tiny model. Concept of linked list. Array is represented by using sequential mapping, which is pretty that elements are fixed distance apart but they will follow this order. It may be insertion decision costly operation because this was movement of some HTML. Want to represent several lists using array of varying size. Either we have to represent each with separate of varying size. This will lead to storage of the second will be involve a lot of data movement. So we have to use alternative representation. Alternative is linked list. In a linked list, not such as elements be at distance. Instead, we'll calculate limit. Remember, we have to make sure but is required to link to a previous. This is the linked test limit. So the program uses strategy of inserting a node existing created and insert function used for insert function make a pointer to existing file. Initially the list is empty, the pointer starting is null, so the memory transfer to column. Advantage of linked, they can grow or shrink during execution or they don't cause memory, they provide flexibility. Basic list operation, creating the list, traversing the list, printing the list, deleting the list, concatenate as well. So representation of linked list, because each node of element contains 2 parts, we have to represent each node through 0. We'll define linked list, we must recursive function, struct node, integer data, struct node. Inserting a node using recursive function. Linked list is recursive data structure that forms the same form regardless of the size with an easy write recursion. When deleting specific node in a single list. To delete a node, first node element can be deleted. The basic assumption that nodes of the number from serial 1 to n, a list is traversed to get the pointer whose number is given as well pointer that appears before node is deleted. Then the link field of node appears to is made to point and deleted free. So you have before deletion, after deletion. Inserting a node of specified linked list. So node to be inserted. After insertion. Circular linked list. Circular linked list is a remedy for drawback of single list beside double linked list. Single change to structure linked list may convert into circular list. So circular linked list, the linear link which is last and for the first one, double linked list which elements for two linked list and null is the end of the thing. Then you have memory allocation. So you have two ideas: linked list where you have to write about a circular linked list, doubly linked list, linear linked list and null linked list, and then you have the other one.